Hi, I'm Sean League with Idea Engineering. Today we're going to go over the Solar Finder and a camera hot shoe adapter. So we have an eclipse coming up next month, if you don't know, April 8th. The last eclipse until 2044 in North America, in the United States anyway. So, simple thing, we want to photograph the sun during the eclipse. How do we do that? Well, you just put a solar filter on the front and then just aim the camera at the sun. But that's a lot more difficult than you think. The sun is the same size as the moon in angular diameter, about a half a degree. So it's actually fairly difficult to aim especially a 300mm zoom at the sun. So we have a solution for that. First we have the DSLR adapter, which slides into the hot shoe. So right here, take both thumbs and push it right on. And then you use this wheel to tighten it down, nice and tight. All right, and then this can be used for small guide scopes or finders for night as well. But we're just going to show you the solar finder today. Okay, so here I got the solar finder, and it's one of the pretty red ones here. Pull it out. Stuff the plastic in there so it doesn't blow away. Alright, and that just slides into the DSLR right here. Okay, like so. Okay, so now you've got it set to the camera. Alright, and there is an adjustment here. If you take a look at the camera. So we can loosen this screw and turn it left or right if we need a left or right adjustment. We can also, there's a slight adjustment in the DSLR adapter before you tighten it down, but not much. We've made them much tighter in the last year or two since we've had version 4 come out. So you can center that for now, all right, and then we'll turn it up to aim at the sun. And I can see the dot projected on the sun, so put that dot in the center of your back screen. Okay, and there we go. We're now aimed at the sun. So one thing you don't want to do, don't look through the camera lens or any telescope lens without a solar filter. That's a no-no, okay? And you probably shouldn't even take pictures with the camera without some kind of protection on the front, because you may damage the sensor. So make sure you got that solar filter on before you aim. Alright, so now that you've got it aimed, that's it. And if it's in the center and you're not quite centered in the camera, go ahead and center it up. If you have the solar filter on, you can look through the back, center your field of view up, and then you can adjust the finder with the thumb screws here. The Idea Engineering Solar Finder is actually a standard Vixen dovetail for finder Vixen dovetails, not the mount Vixen dovetails. Those are much bigger. So this goes on any standard Vixen style dovetail, which includes Orion, Celestron uses it, Cinta, GSO. Lots of different companies use this. This is kind of the standard. But we also have an adapter that can adapt from, say, Meade or Explorer Scientific to this style, and then you can put the finder on it as well. So we've got all those options covered.
Yeah, and we sell the solar finder by itself. We have red or black. And then you can buy the combo kit with the solar finder and the DSLR adapter. And lastly, we talked about the adapter for Meade and Explorer Scientific to the finder dovetail. And all this can be found at ideaengineering.us.